Hey y'all, so today's vlog is a little throwback. These are some clips I never got around to posting while I was getting my apartment together. Nothing too crazy, just work, a little home progress, and everyday life. Hope y'all enjoy. And just like that, the 10-hour shift is over. Now it's time to start walking to the front. Can't wait to get in my king size bed. Leg up. Bruh, the sound my vehicle is making, it makes me nauseous every time I get in it. Because what is tea? Oh boy. I went from having a Jeep. You know what? I'm blessed because I have a vehicle. That's how I have to think. I can't think about what was, because what was is no longer here. So this is a very humbling experience, and hey, I'm still blessed. What New York say? I'm still in the motherfucking house. I'm just a damn girl. Let me put on the heat because now it's cold. It was freaking 70 degrees when I first got into work, and now it's 48 degrees. I'ma still keep my coat on. Oh boy. Anybody has an Acura? What does this mean? I know what that means, but what does this mean? Check starter. My car been doing some strange things. Yeah, let me just drive home. You know what? I'm calling it a night. I just pray everything's gonna work out. Everything's gonna work out. This is adulting, starting over in my 30s. I'm calling it a night. I'm tired. I'm gonna drive home, and that's it. Bye bye.
I can't believe I believed everything we had was less. We young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your somehow smarter than that. Young and naive to believe that in me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat with who's within. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best.
Bro, living with a man, bro. What would possess you to put the whole... Not put it to the side and put a couple of in there, but you put the whole fuck... Bro.
Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your phone. No need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now...
May 11th. You hear my car? And why is my head being... Anyway, I'm on my way to work. Let's get into it.
Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong. Because I realize I got myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out. And it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself.